Hey everybody, welcome back to the wood shop. Today's video is another project in our reclaimed wood series.
We're going to be taking some pallet wood that we've gotten off of Pallet, and we're going to be making a beautiful and functional home for our feathered friends. You got it, it's going to be a birdhouse.
But before we get started, make sure you like, subscribe, and ring that bell so you don't miss an episode.
Let's go ahead and get started by breaking out the planer.
Alright, now the next step in making our birdhouse is to rip all of these boards down to 5 inches wide. It'll also give them a nice clean edge.
Alright, so like I mentioned, these boards did come off a pallet. The ends are not flush, and we need at least one nice square end to measure by. So before we cut our lengths, let's square these up, and then we'll move on. Alright, we've set up a stop block here at 8 inches. This will be for the front and back panels of our birdhouse. Now we've moved our stop block to be 5 inches. These are going to be for the sides of the birdhouse. The next piece we're going to cut is for the bottom of our birdhouse. It's going to be 6 1/4 inches. For the last two pieces we need to cut out, it will be the two pieces for the roof, and those are going to be 7 1/4.
Alright, since our birdhouse is going to have a pitched roof, we're going to go ahead and cut a 45-degree miter on the front and back panels. Alright, the next step is to cut a 45-degree bevel in each of our roof boards. That way we get our 90-degree peak. Now we're almost ready to assemble our birdhouse. Just a few more things we've got to do first. We've got to drill a hole for the entrance, which is 1.5 inches, and we're going to drill a hole to put a dowel for a perch.
Alright, before we assemble our birdhouse, we're just going to give the outside of these pieces a light sanding. We are going to paint and stain it, so we want to make it receptive for that, make it nice and smooth. Let's go ahead and do that with some 120 grit.
Well, we're in the home stretch now. It's time to assemble this thing. We're going to be doing that with some wood glue and 1-inch brad nails.
We cut a 3/8 inch dowel for the bird to perch on. Now you can find these at any craft section in your department store. That's where we picked them up. They're pretty inexpensive. So let's go ahead and install this. Okay, so we've decided we want to dress up this birdhouse just a little bit. And fun fact, we're kind of wood hoarders, and we have all these little strips right here that we've saved from ripping down 2x4s, 2x6s. So we decided that these are going to make perfect siding for our birdhouse. So we'll go ahead and get those glued on. And once we get that done, then we can stain and paint. We've taped our siding in place to give it a little bit of time to dry, and while that's working, we're going to put some stain on the roof. Alright everybody, we're back. This is the last step of putting together our birdhouse, and we're going to paint it a nice pretty color. This is called Tropical Nut. Let's see how this works out.
It's another addition to our Reclaimed Wood series, a birdhouse made out of pallet wood.
It's going to be a really sweet addition to someone's yard, and we hope a beautiful feathered friend finds it a comfortable new home.
We hope you've enjoyed this project. Make sure you go check out some of our other Reclaimed Wood projects. We got plenty of them.
And as always, you know we appreciate it when you like, subscribe, and ring the bell. We're also on Facebook at Woodsongs by Russell and on the World Wide Web at www.woodsongsbyrussell.com. Thanks again for joining us today. Happy woodworking!